In this presentation, I am going to teach you how to measure the displacement of the particle when the particle moves from one position to another position during the interval that is from 0 second to 2 second. When the particle moves from one position to another position, by the time taken is 2 second, that is from 0 second to 2 second. By the time you have to calculate the displacement. Here the graph is drawn between time and velocity. This is called as velocity time graph. Velocity is taken in y-axis, time is taken in x-axis, but we are going to calculate the displacement of the particle during this interval 0 second to 2 second. Already one tabular column is written there with the help of known data. Time in second, velocity in meter per second, both are written. When the time is 0, velocity is 0. When the time is 1 second means by the time the velocity is 1 meter per second. When the time is 2 second, by the time the velocity increased to 3 meter per second. By using this simple data, I have plotted the value. After plotting the value, I have drawn a inclined line. The straight line is drawn there, but it is inclined. Are you clear? Now, from this point, you extend the line towards x-axis. Here you are getting one area. Are you clear? This area under the graph, the area under the straight line, that one gives you which factor? Displacement. Make a note. Displacement of the particle can be obtained by calculating the area. Are you clear? Again I will repeat. Displacement of the moving object that can be calculated by area under the graph, area under the curve, that is especially in which graph? Velocity time graph la area we calculate pannale unak enna kedaikum? You will get the displacement. Now I am going to calculate the displacement. How to calculate displacement from 0 second to 2 second. In between the duration 0 second to 2 second, how long it has traveled, that can be calculated. The formula is area. Look at that, the shape of the portion is, it is looking like a triangle. Therefore, area can be easily calculated by half into B into H. This is a very simple formula. Since it is a triangle, we can use this formula half into BH. If the shape is rectangle means there you have to write L into B. Here in this case I am using half into BH. Now you directly substitute the values. Which one is breadth? This is the breadth portion. Breadth is equal to 2 seconds. Half is half into, instead of B, you can write 2 seconds into 2 second can be written. And height portion is how much? This portion is 1, 2, 3. Therefore, 3 meter per second. 3 meter per second can be directly written. This second can be cancelled. So, finally, after calculating 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. The remaining unit is meter. So, this is the answer. Are you clear? Straight away from the area, we can easily calculate the value of which one? The displacement. So, instead of saying area, now you can call it as displacement. So, the final conclusion is, that conclusion must be written here. What is the conclusion? Displacement of the particle when it moves from which second to which second? When it moves from 0 second to 2 second is how much? 3 meters. Are you clear? This is the answer. The main important thing what I want to insist is area under the graph. Area under the straight line that gives you the displacement. In which graph? In velocity time graph. Very important one. Because velocity is equal to displacement divided by time. I would like to calculate displacement means this two to be multiplied. Velocity into time to be calculated. So clear? Here velocity is multiplied with time. This is equivalent to half BH here. To calculate S, V into T is required. That V into T is equivalent to half BH. Could you understand this?